Last month I opened a competition to celebrate getting 1,000 subscribers to my channel. So this is the video to announce the winner. I've got a list here of everyone's entry. Now if you entered the competition twice, so you entered with a comment and a tip to help people learn to drive, you should find your name on this list twice. So I'll just scroll through it slowly, just so you can make sure your name is on there. And like I say, it should be on there twice if you also added the tip to help people learning to drive. Let's now go to a random number generator and see who the winner is. So I've got it set between 1 and 57, as there's 57 entries. And I'll now click generate and see who the winner is. Number 4. So that is Cameron Me. So, if Cameron Me can please contact me and I'll send them out their prize. And thank you again for subscribing to my channel. When I hit another milestone, maybe 5,000 subscribers, then maybe I'll do another giveaway. Give me some ideas in the comments below of what you'd like me to give away.